Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Namaste all. With the guidance of my Muddu Krishna and Chamundeshwari Amma, today I am here to share a message from God. Without my Muddu Krishna, I can do nothing. All glory and honor deserves and belongs to my Muddu Krishna alone. It's all God's work, not mine. My Muddu Krishna does everything. I simply walk according to my Muddu Krishna's guidance. Whatever happens through me is by my Muddu Krishna's grace. I am merely an instrument in the hands of God. My Muddu Krishna is not only God but also our eternal teacher who gives us the wisdom to live a meaningful life. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. My Muddu Krishna is the greatest teacher through the divine knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. My Muddu Krishna, my God, lovingly guides us to live with wisdom, compassion, selfless service and devotion. My Muddu Krishna not only teaches with words but also transforms our hearts. If we sincerely listen to his teachings and practice them in our daily lives, God becomes our eternal guide, helping us walk the path of truth, peace and love. Today my Muddu Krishna wants to tell few things for teachers. Teachers have a great responsibility because they shape the future of children. My Muddu Krishna is lovingly telling that all teachers should take this responsibility seriously and guide every student with care, patience, love and dedication. I bow to all the teachers with great respect and gratitude. Teachers are our guides who show us the path of knowledge and wisdom. Teachers inspire children to learn, grow, and become better human beings. I thank all the teachers for their care, hard work, and valuable lessons. See, every child is like a flower waiting to bloom. Teachers' responsibility is not to fill children's tender minds with endless syllabus, but to ignite a love for learning. My God is telling not to measure success by how much you teach, but how deeply children understand, enjoy, and remember the lesson. My humble request to all the teachers and concerned people in this world, I request to this whole humanity, please reduce unnecessary academic burden and create space for curiosity, creativity, values, and joyful learning, and help children to grow into a confident, compassionate, and lifelong learners. My humble request to all the teachers in this beautiful world, please teach children with patience, love, remembering that you are shaping hearts as much as you are shaping minds. A child thrives academically when filled with joy rather than burden. A joyful child learns better when there is no stress and no pressure. Many students today are facing stress, anxiety, and sometimes depression because of the heavy academic syllabus and constant pressure to perform well in exams. I request that all teachers please balance academic expectations with students' mental health and overall development. Please be sensitive to understand how much children are struggling to cope with a difficult syllabus. Education should never become a burden. My Muddu Krishna, my God, is telling to this whole humanity that the teacher's role is not only just to complete the syllabus but to help children learn With love, patience, and encouragement, learning should be joyful, engaging, and meaningful. When children feel happy, safe, and supported in the classroom, they understand better, gain confidence, and develop a genuine love for learning. Let's make education a joyful journey of curiosity and happiness, not fear and pressure. Education is a journey of awakening a child's mind, heart, and spirit. Every child carries unique talents and limitless potential. When you burden them with excessive academic pressure, you may fill their minds with information, but you will leave little room for curiosity, creativity, wonder, and joy. Please choose depth over speed, understanding over memorization, and inspiration over pressure. A lesson learned with happiness stays for a lifetime. As teachers, you have the sacred privilege of shaping not only brilliant minds but also kind hearts and confident souls. May every child leave classroom with brighter eyes, a lighter heart, and a deeper love for learning. That is the true success of education. My humble request to all the teachers, please do not burden children with more than they can joyfully absorb. Instead, teach with patience, love, and wisdom. Please create classrooms where children feel encouraged to ask, imagine, explore, and grow at their own. Please allow every child to learn at their own pace. When learning is filled with joy, curiosity, and encouragement, knowledge naturally blooms. Teachers should touch a child's heart, awaken a love for learning, and inspire them to walk the path of truth, kindness, and righteousness. Teachers have a great responsibility in grooming and supporting children. Teachers' love, guidance, and encouragement helps children to be gain confidence, be responsible, and grow as a kind individuals for the future. My Muddu Krishna is telling teaching is more than a profession. It is a responsibility to inspire, nurture, and empower every child. A teacher's guidance can leave a lifelong impact on a child's mind, heart, and the future. My Muddu Krishna says in the divine wisdom of Bhagavad Gita, यद्यदाचारति श्रेष्ठः तत्तदेवो इतरो जनः स यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकः तदनुवर्तते. It means whatever a noble person does, other people also do. Standard or example noble person sets, the world follows. Through this shloka of Bhagavad Gita, beautifully my Muddu Krishna reminds us that our actions becomes an example for others. It is especially meaningful for teachers, parents, and leaders. This teaches us the true excellence is not achieved through fear or pressure, but through skill, balance, and the right approach. A teacher has the privilege of helping children rise above fear, self-doubt, and anxiety. Learning should inspire confidence, curiosity, and joy, not stress and helplessness. My God is telling, create classroom where children feel safe to ask questions, make mistakes, and grow. Let learning be filled with love, happiness, and encouragement, because education is not just about completing a syllabus, it is about nurturing human beings with strong minds, kind hearts, and confident spirit. Children learn by watching those they respect. Whatever good actions a noble person does, children are inspired to follow. The example we set through our own life becomes a guide for others. Teachers' action speak louder than words. When teachers treat children with kindness, honesty, and wisdom, children naturally learn and follow their same path. Children learn more from what you do than from what you say. Every child is unique and blooms in their own time. Please do not compare one child with another, as comparison can diminish confidence and leave lasting emotional scars. Kindly avoid correcting or insulting children in front of others. Public criticism may hurt children's self esteem and make children afraid to learn. Instead, guide children with patience, encouragement, and please correct children's mistake privately whenever possible, and always approach children with kindness and respect. My Muthu Krishna is lovingly telling to all the teachers, please be kind to children, guide and correct children lovingly with care, patience and understanding. Please do not teach through fear. Children may obey out of fear for a moment, but they grow and flourish through love, kindness, understanding and trust. As Lord Krishna, my Muthu Krishna, reminds us, whatever a noble person does, others follow. Whatever examples they set, the world follows. As teachers, your words, actions, and compassion becomes the example that your students carry throughout their lives. I request all the teachers in this world, please promise to my Muthu Krishna that you will be a reason for a child to feel valued, encouraged, and inspired to learn. Promise to God that you will be kind and your encouraging words will build confidence in children. Promise to God that you will not hurt those tender little children with your harsh words and actions that reflect a lack of empathy, compassion, insensitive humanity, and dignity. Instead, you will be gentle and you will remove fear from children by your smile, softness, patience, kindness, and love. Promise to my Muthu Krishna that you will not punish children, instead, you will politely correct children with love. Promise to God that you will be a loving teacher and change children's life forever. My Muthu Krishna is telling to all the teachers that children adore you. They honor, respect, admire, and trust you. My humble request to teachers, please never break their trust. My Muthu Krishna says, give lot of love to those little and innocent children. Let every child experience school as a place of joy, safety, respect, and love. Everyone walk the path of Dharma. With the presence of my Mother Krishna, guide all of us towards the life of righteousness. Om Krishnaya Vasudevaya Haraye Paramatmane Pranataha Kleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Life is short and simple. Let's all make it sweeter together. Let's celebrate humanity. Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Sanmangalani Bhavantu. Please be kind to children. Save our children.